All right, so we're in our last week. You guys have done a great job. I've gone through and graded your special population assignment. You've got another assignment due prior to the end of the semester. And, stay on task with it. Email me if you have any questions. I did this week submit, instead of a PowerPoint lecture with me, I have provided you guys a lecture with one of my colleagues. His name is Jordan. He is a clinical counselor at Journey Recovery Center, and he has provided a video about clinical documentation that I hope that you guys can sit and watch. He's very entertaining, kind of a fun video to watch, actually. I sat and watched it, and very entertaining. So give that a watch. He touches on the SOAP method, which SOAP, and that is, again, another acronym in the field, meaning subjective, objective, assessment, and planning, and that utilizing those four techniques when completing case notes, the importance of that, he touches on. And so give it a watch, the video that I'm going to post, and it's been such a pleasure working with all of you, and wish you the best of luck as you move forward in the field. Always reach out to me, have my email, it's not going to change. Many of you have my cell phone number, and as you move forward in the field, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm here for you. Again, I thank you for your time with me and appreciate the feedback. Don't forget to submit your final assignments and email me if you have any questions.